and we are already breaking free of our home planet. It was 1961 when the first human was launched into orbit. The following year, Mariner 2 left Earth behind on a voyage that took it to our closest planetary neighbor, Venus. In all, 10 mariners set out on journeys to Mars, Venus, and Mercury. They mapped our nearby planets. We saw them in stunning detail. We even got weather reports. Some were disappointed when the mariners found no monstrous aliens, no tropical forests teeming with extraterrestrial dinosaurs. But our scientific appetites were whetted. Project Mariner was succeeded by an ambitious new program to go even farther. Voyager. The scientists and engineers of the Voyager team designed 2 similar space probes to uncover the secrets of our system's outer planets. Voyagers 1 and 2. Their first destinations would be Jupiter and Saturn. But such distant goals brought tough challenges. How exactly could the Voyagers move across the billions of kilometers from Earth to the distant gas giants? Fortune gave them a lucky break. Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were all coming into ideal positions. They wouldn't be in that felicitous alignment again for 176 years. The timing was perfect.
We have ignition and we have liftoff. We have liftoff of the Titan Planetarium, the first of 2 Voyager spacecraft to extend man's senses farther into the solar system than ever before.
So on August 20th, 1977, Voyager 2 was launched from Florida's Cape Canaveral. On September 5th, Voyager 1 followed its twin on what would become the longest journey in history. Not long after the launch, from a vantage point almost 12 million kilometers away, Voyager 1 took a picture of planet Earth with the moon in a single frame. For the first time, we saw how small our home and its satellite look from the depths of space. But the perils of a harsh environment and a long journey were building. Now, Voyager 2 wasn't responding to signals from home. The team knew where the craft was, but with no communication, they could not control it. Their precious craft seemed about to become just one more piece of space junk. Its mission of exploration would be over. But engineers who could make a spacecraft like Voyager were just the kind of people who could solve a problem 200 million kilometers away. What they found was the Voyager 2's radio was fine, but its ability to tune it was out of whack. NASA's technical team would now have to recalculate the right frequency and retune the transmitter on Earth to match Voyager 2's receiver. They had to do that every time they wanted to send it a message. The connection still dropped out from time to time, but they always got it back. On the 5th of March 1979, a year and a half after leaving Florida, the rendezvous with Jupiter went exactly as planned. Voyager 1 reached and then flew by the largest planet of our solar system. The spacecraft's cameras sent back breathtaking views of a gas giant named after and it has been raging for centuries. Voyager's observations of Jupiter brought many other surprises. Lightning bolts more than 1,000 kilometers long, and at the poles, auroras akin to the ones on our own planet. With the Voyager's help, scientists could see also that Jupiter was encircled by faint rings, seemingly made of tiny dust particles, Mercury. But greater surprises were in store on two of Jupiter's other moons, Io and Europa. Scientists had thought that in our solar system, only Earth had active volcanoes. They believed all the other planets and moons were seismically dead. But on Io, the Voyagers could clearly see volcanoes spewing molten lava onto Io's frozen surface. Io's lava flows, some as long as 500 kilometers, were a spectacular sight. The lava blending with black volcanic ash, glittering and glowing. Red, orange, yellow, maroon. The surface itself is a kaleidoscope of changing hues. It's relatively young and dotted with strange depressions, and with mountains towering far higher than any on Earth. Far from being a dead world, Io's 400 active volcanoes make it the most geologically active place in the solar system. The close encounter with another Jovian moon, Europa, was no less intriguing. Scientists knew already that Europa was covered by ice.